Hello everyone, good morning and welcome again to English with Teacher James. How was your weekend? I hope you had a fantastic weekend, right? Okay, the teacher is so excited to see everyone again today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about was or where. Was or where. In today's lesson, we are learning about was or where. Before we start with our lesson for today, don't forget our class rules, right? You look at the teacher, you listen to the teacher, you answer the teacher, sit down and be quiet, okay? Alright, let me share my screen quickly so that we can start with our lesson for today. Okay everyone, this is my shared screen and our lesson for today is was or where, English for communication. You repeat after the teacher, okay? Was, where. Great job. Let's look at the first slide. Was or where. We can use was or where both positive and negative, okay? We are going to look at the positive and negative form of was or where. Alright, let's look at this. I was at school yesterday. This is the positive form of was. I was at school yesterday. I wasn't at school yesterday. This is the negative form of was, okay? I was at school yesterday. I wasn't at school yesterday. He was at school yesterday. She was at school yesterday. It was at school yesterday. Okay. Let's look at we, you, they. Okay, we use we, you, they with where. Okay, this is singular, and then we have plural. Plural means two or more, okay, two or more people or things, right? We were at the beach last week. We were at the beach last week. You were at the beach last week. They were at the beach last week, right? We weren't, this is the negative form, at the beach last week. So yeah, we also have positive were, right? And also a negative weren't. Okay, great job. Let's look at some more question form using was or where. Was I hungry? Was he hungry? Was she hungry? Was it hungry? We are looking at the question form of was and where. Was I hungry? Was she hungry? You can either answer yes she was or no she wasn't. Let's look at where. Question form of where. Were we at the theater last weekend? You can say yes we were, or you say no we weren't. Were you at the theater last weekend? Were they at the theater last weekend? Let's look at some revision. Let's revise, okay? We use was or were or wasn't or weren't when we talk about past. For example, we were at school yesterday. Yesterday is in the past, so we use were, okay? Let's look at some more revision. You, we, they means two or more people or things. Weren't or were. Were or weren't. For example, my friends were in the forest last week. He, she, it, I, one person or thing. Okay, everyone, don't forget we use he, she, it, or I. One person or thing. Was or wasn't. For example, it was cold last week. Yes or no question using was or where. We put was or where first. For example, was it hot yesterday? Was it hot yesterday? Were you at home? Were you at home? We can give short answer like, for example, we say yes, I, he, she, or it was. Okay? Yes, you, he, they were. Or you say no, I, he, she, it wasn't. No, you, we, they weren't. Okay, these are short answers that we can give. Alright. For example, was John E? We are looking at some short answer that you can give using was or where. Okay, was John E? Yes, he was. Was Jane E? No, she wasn't. Were the children E? No, they were. Were the dogs E? Yes, they were. Okay, right. Let's do some exercise. Okay, exercise. Was or where. Okay, let's look at the first question. We are going to answer some exercises using was or where. Let's look at the first question. Are we going to use was or where? Who can try? They were, right? They were, because they are more than one. Two persons, two people. Can you see? So we use were. They were. They were in the cinema. Great job. They were in the cinema. The next question, who can try? I was. Why? Because we have one person and we use I. Sorry, I just have to click on was. I was in my garden. The next question. They were on the beach. They were on the beach. Plural, because we have more than two persons, people. We have more than one person and two or more people, we use were. Okay, when you have two or more people or things, you use were. They were on the beach. Susan was in the library. We were in the park. He was in the toilet. You were at your grandparents'. We were with mom. He was alone. They were trick or treating. She was out in the rain. They were on the moon. We were in our science lesson. It was sunny. It was cold yesterday. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson for today, right, everyone? Okay, what I want the student to do is that everyone, you listen to the video. Okay, you repeat after the teacher. Listen and listen over again, and then you practice at home with your parents. If you have any question, you can ask the teacher. Okay, everyone, thank you for listening. Goodbye for now, and see you in our next class. Stay home and stay safe. Goodbye. Sawadee ka.